During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. Weight in kg, number of students. Weight is less than 38, number of students is 0. Weight is less than 40, number of students is 3. Weight is less than 42, number of students is 5. Weight is less than 44, number of students is 9. Weight is less than 46, number of students is 14. Weight is less than 48, number of students is 28. Weight is less than 50, number of students is 32. Weight is less than 52, number of students is 35. Draw a less than type ogive for the given data. Hence, obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. Solution: weight in kg, number of students, cumulative frequency. Here, number of students is taken as cumulative frequency as it is combined frequency. Using these values, plot the points 38, 0, 40, 3, 42, 5, 44, 9, 46, 14, 48, 28, 50, 32, 52, 35 on the graph sheet and join them with smooth curve. Here, n is equal to 35, which implies n by 2 is equal to 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. Locate the point 0, 17.5 on y-axis. From this point, draw a line parallel to the x-axis, cutting the curve at a point. From this point, draw a perpendicular line on the x-axis. Foot of perpendicular is 46.5. Therefore, median weight is equal to 46.5 kg. Verification of the median using formula. Weight in kg, number of students. Class interval, number of students, that is F. Class interval 0 to 38, number of students 0. Class interval 38 to 40, number of students 3. Class interval 40 to 42, number of students 2. Class interval 40 to 44, number of students 4. Class interval 44 to 46, number of students 5. Class interval 46 to 48, number of students 14. Class interval 48 to 50, number of students 4. Class interval 50 to 52, number of students 3. Cumulative frequency 0, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 plus 14 is equal to 28. 28 plus 4 is equal to 32. 32 plus 3 is equal to 35. N is equal to 35, which implies n by 2 is equal to 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. Just greater than 17.5, cumulative frequency is 28. For this 28, corresponding class interval is 46 to 48. Therefore, median class is 46 to 48. Here, L is the lower limit of median class, that is equal to 46. F is the frequency of median class, that is equal to 14. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is equal to 14. H is the class size, that is equal to 2. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H, which is equal to 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 by 14 into 2, which is equal to 46 plus 3.5 into 2 by 14, which is equal to 46 plus 7 by 14, which is equal to 46 plus 0.5, which is equal to 46.5. Therefore, the median of weights is equal to 46.5.